Hey everybody tuning in on Plus, Facebook Live, and all of our other digital platforms. This is meteorologist Matt Breland just giving you an extended look at what we're expecting as we head into the rest of this evening and also into the next upcoming days. Definitely a big week for us here in Louisville. The Derby happening Saturday. We've got the races Wednesday. We have Thurby. We have Oaks. It's a very busy week, and for it to be such a busy week, there's a lot of weather that we're tracking out as well. So I'm going to take you through what we're looking at right now. We're expecting a few showers and thunderstorms to arrive into the Louisville Metro just as we head into the next few minutes. They'll be lasting through a majority of our evening time, and then we're going to have more peaceful conditions just as we head later on into the night. So here's what you can expect just as we head into the next upcoming minutes. You'll notice that we did have an active weather pattern just as we went into the beginning of our evening time. Those showers and thunderstorms have weakened significantly as they made their way closer into Kentuckiana. So you'll notice southern Indiana really saw a majority of those intense thunderstorms, but now that they're making their way further towards the east, they're starting to diminish away. Now there are some thunderstorms still making their way closer into central Kentucky, which is out of our viewing area. However, we're still expecting some of this activity to linger around just as we head further on into the evening time. So a closer look at Louisville Metro, you'll notice just towards our west, closer towards Corydon and also near Brandenburg. We're starting to see some of those rain showers arrive, and that's going to be making their way into the Louisville Metro just as we head into the next upcoming minutes. We're going to see some brief periods of some heavy downpours. Likely going to hear a few rumbles of thunder here and there. Winds could gust about 30 to 40 miles per hour. There may be a few rogue thunderstorms that have some more intense wind gusts. But I wanted to go into detail about what we're looking at for Derby as we head into the next upcoming days. For Thurby, there is a stormy pattern that will be around through a majority of the later parts of the afternoon. We're really timing that out to be after 5 p.m. That's whenever I'm expecting us to see a majority of that activity. Now into Friday for the Oaks race, we're going to see some small passing showers, but they will become a bit more organized and developed as we head into Friday afternoon. That pattern will also last into about Friday evening and parts of Friday night. As we head into Saturday morning, we're going to have a bit of a cloudy start to the day. Definitely cooler conditions, though. Temperatures will only be reaching the upper 60s, and we're still expecting just a few brief light rain showers throughout the first few hours of our Saturday, but eventually it will give way to better conditions. So here's how things look for the rest of our Tuesday evening. These clusters of showers and thunderstorms are still expected to make their way out of the Louisville Metro further towards our east just as we head into the later parts of our evening hours. I'm really not expecting there to be a tornado threat with these storms anymore. The wind has really diminished with these, and we're really just looking like we're going to have just some steady rainfall. The possibility of some small hail is still a possibility with these storms as they continue to make their way through the east. But overall, past 8 p.m. is whenever we're going to be in more of a quiet pattern. So around 9 p.m., that's whenever I'm expecting us to have those temperatures cooling down into the mid to upper 60s. And then we return back into that stormy pattern as we head into Wednesday morning. Clusters of showers and storms likely developing from the south. They're going to spread across Kentuckiana through our morning hours. Then we have a bit of a quiet period between 12 and 5 p.m. Now, past 5 p.m., some storms are likely going to be redeveloping. We've got temperatures that will be ranging in the mid-80s. That's going to be warm enough to create some thunderstorms, so you can still expect the possibility for some thunderstorms to pop up as we head past 5 p.m. Wednesday, lasting until about the start of our Wednesday night. So we're going to keep a close eye on those. And then Thurby is really the day that we're going to pay the most attention to. We've got winds that will be staying out of the south Thursday morning. A muggy start to our day. Temperatures in the mid-60s, but it definitely will be humid. As we head into the later parts of the morning time, we'll see a few passing showers here and there, but we're expecting to stay quiet by 12 p.m. But notice at 5 p.m., that's whenever we're going to track clusters of showers and thunderstorms, and some of them will have the capability of being severe. So we're expecting some of these storms to produce some damaging winds. Some small hail will also be possible, and we're not ruling out the possibility with these specific storms to have isolated tornadoes within them. So we're paying close attention to Thurby. Stay up to date with all the latest weather details as we head into your Thurby. It is definitely going to be a stormy evening. Now headed into Thursday night, early Friday morning, things are going to quiet down. We'll see some lingering clouds, temperatures ranging into the mid-60s. So a bit of a windy trend with these storms. Some winds could be gusting between 30 and 40 miles per hour. But most of the energy is going to be focused closer towards Frankfort and central Kentucky. Now, as I take you through what we're looking at as we head into the next upcoming days. So once again, for our Saturday, 7:30 p.m., which is just 30 minutes after race time. A few showers are likely going to be focused across eastern Kentucky. I believe here in Louisville, we're going to be good to go. There's a small chance that we could see just a few isolated, brief, weak showers, but otherwise that trend is going to be very quiet. Now into our Sunday, could see a few small showers Sunday morning, but otherwise we've got quiet conditions that will be around as we head into Sunday night. So that's a look at what you can expect as we head into the weekend. Here's a check at the next 7 days. We are keeping weather impact alert day for Wednesday, Thursday, and we've got quiet conditions around for most of our Saturday and Sunday. So once again, this is we're expecting these storms to arrive here in the Louisville Metro within the next few minutes. They weakened significantly, though. Lots of quiet conditions have started to make their way behind the storm system, so I'm expecting us to definitely have rain and some thunderstorms as we head into the next upcoming hours. But past 9 p.m., we'll start to see things dwindle down a bit. So feel free to send me some questions. If you're concerned about any certain areas, I'll be happy to help you guys out. But otherwise, if you have any more interest in following the forecast, make sure you follow our Facebook pages, download the free WHAS 11 Plus app, and stay up to date. At 11 p.m. we will have another newscast with more weather details.